I wonder what would happen to an environment if an animal was completely removed. Have you ever wondered this? Either way, we're here to answer that question today.
Our example for this inquiry would be the wolf. In 1926, this really did happen to them. Here's how. Farmers had expanded into wolf territory during the early 1900s, from around 1905 to 1914. The wolves within said territory preyed upon domesticated animals that supposedly belonged to the farmers, even though the animals were originally the wolves' prey.
Farmers complained to the government, causing them to release a predator control so the farmers could kill wolves on sight. The effects of the eradication of the wolves was devastating.
As the wolf is an apex predator, it preys on things 2 to 3 levels lower than it on the trophic scale, such as elks and coyotes. Due to there not being an apex predator to prey on these animals, the elk and coyote population was higher than ever before. With this, there would be a lower population of things of a shorter level than the elk and coyote on the mentioned scale, such as birds, beavers, and maybe even grasshoppers.
This decline would be caused by the increased amount of elk consuming plants, like young aspen trees, and coyotes consuming smaller animals like beavers. This would mean that the previously mentioned animals will have less to consume, be hunted, and will in turn move to a different area to feed.
The beavers leaving is a hugely impactful event because of these reasons. If they cannot build dams, the area will flood and the flow of rivers and streams will become uncontrolled.
The water will be dirty due to there being no dams to filter out sediment, in turn killing lots of fish calling said river/stream home. Cold water fish would also be killed because of decreased shade making the temperature too hot for them to bear.
The restoration of these wolves, taking place in 1996, was very expensive, yet very lucrative, as the replenishment cost $30 million, whereas the tourism profits were about $35 million. The increase in the park's earnings was mainly due to the return of the wolves.
The previously mentioned negative effects of the killing of the wolves were all reversed, which made the environment healthier, more biodiverse, and increasingly interesting to learn about. Proven against some common belief, the apex predator really is very important, no matter the environment.